This residence invites you to make it your family home, offering comfortable living spaces designed for relaxation and togetherness. Situated in the hills of Boscobel, the property enjoys peaceful surroundings while being just a few minutes from the main road, with easy access to the Ian Fleming International Airport, nearby beaches, and other attractions. The property features a thoughtfully designed split-level layout. The entry level includes an inviting entry patio, a cozy living area, a practical kitchenette, one bedroom, and a bathroom. The main upper floor, accessed by an internal staircase, provides additional space for family living, comprising a spacious living area, a combined kitchen and dining space, a front patio ideal for enjoying the cool hill breezes, and 2 bedrooms, each complete with closets and private en-suite bathrooms. Let's take a look inside. Price for this one is JMD $38 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.